and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny. Today I'll be showing you how to peel, cut and cube a butternut squash. Let's get started. Peeling and cutting a whole butternut squash into cubes can seem pretty intimidating, but really it's easy. So the first step is to flip it on its side, then trim off the top, then flip it over to the other side, then trim off the bottom using a sharp knife. This is what the top and the bottom look like. You can discard them. As you can see, the bottom part, which is known as the bulb, contains the seeds, while the top part, which is known as the neck, is made up entirely of flesh. Now we're going to peel it using a Y peeler. So I found that it's easier holding it horizontally and then peeling it from the neck to the bottom using long downward strokes. When you get to the bottom, you have a few patches of skin left. They should be easy to peel off. Next, flip it to its side and cut it down the middle, separating the neck from the bulb. You may need to hold both ends to keep it in place. Cut the neck in half to reveal the inside. As you can see, there are no seeds, it's all flesh. Split both halves of the neck into quarters and then cut them into wedges. Flip the wedges around and cut them into cubes. Take a look at these cubes. They are beautiful and almost perfect. Next, split the bulb in half to reveal seeds nested in a fibrous web. We will need to scoop the seeds out. I like to scoop the seeds using an ice cream scoop. You can also use a spoon, but I believe an ice cream scoop is much more comfortable and it does the job with ease. The seeds are embedded in this fibrous substance. You can either eat them or discard them. To eat them, you have to pluck them out, season them, and roast them in an oven or in a pan. They can be used as toppings for your butternut squash soup, or they can be eaten as snacks. Now we're going to cut and cube the bulb. Place it on its flat side and cut it in half, then wedges, then cubes. Butternut squash can be added to smoothies, or it can be seasoned and roasted for a delicious meal or side dish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.